I received a scalp massager from Comfier and it feels so nice. You are absolutely gonna love it. And it comes with this charging cable, and all you have to do is attach it to a USB plug, and this is the charging base. Let me show you a close-up of what this fabulous scalp massager looks like. All you have to do is push this button right here, and then it starts. And look at those little nubs go. You want to make it go faster, you just push it again, just like this. And wow, and it feels so good on your scalp. Now, if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is push this button a couple seconds and then it turns off. And right here, it shows you how much battery life. If it starts blinking, that means it's time to charge. And it also shows you which one you have it on, the plus or minus. And then the next one is counterclockwise or clockwise. This is super simple to use. It takes about 2 hours to charge, and there's also a charging indicator light as well. And it blinks when it needs charging. There's also 2 massage settings. There's low and high, and you can also make it go clockwise or counterclockwise. How nice is that? And it feels so good. All you have to do is push on it once, and then it starts. You push on it again, and it goes faster. And then when you want to turn it off, you hold it down for about 3 seconds, maybe about 2. And there you go. And it is so nice to use. You just put it on your head, and wow, it just tickles. Not really, but it just feels so good. You have all these little nubs massaging your hair, and then you just pull it off. So it does not tangle your hair. I was worried about that, but it does not tangle it. And it works great for longer hair, shorter hair, and medium. I tried it on my husband. He absolutely loves it too. And it just feels so good. Another nice feature is it has a 10-minute timer on it. So it will automatically shut off after 10 minutes. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much, Comfier, for sending this to me. It works awesome. And thank you everybody for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.